Today is Monday, January 15th, and this is Daily Tips that may or may not help you with Ariel and Ned. I'm Ariel.
Hey, I'm Ned.
You have a great tip for us today. Let's just get right into it, Ned.
I will. This one is for organizing drawers. It is specifically about t-shirts but can apply to anything. And the tip is simply this. Don't fold your shirts so they lay flat and stack them up, hiding the ones on the bottom. Fold them a little thinner, turn them 90 degrees, stack them vertically. Then when you look in your drawer, you can see every single shirt at your disposal at all times. Nothing's hidden. It means you can rotate, if we go back to a previous tip back in December. And it means that you always have access to your full closet whenever you want in your drawers. Don't stack flat, stack vertically. That's the tip of the day.
Love that. And we'd love to see what...
Oh, I could put a picture of this on social media. That's easy. I'll show you my shirt drawer.
Yeah, show us. We have social media. So this is a good time for us to tell you that we have social media, dear Tippendales. We are absolutely everywhere. So not only can you go to our social media to check out Ned's shirt drawer, but we would love to see yours as well. And maybe we'll repost some. You never know.
You never know. Well, that is the tip for Monday. Ariel, we'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.